you this kids walkie talkie. This is real fun for the kids when you have two kids and or they are friends. You can just give one to each and they can just play new games or they can just pretend play or stuff. So this comes with two um, walkie talkies and two headset or handsets. This is a manual that show all the features and the combinations. This is of plastic and as you can see it's vibrant colors. It uses 4 batteries. So here I'm putting 4 AAA batteries. On the button and have also the lamp. This is the second one. You can just take off the clip and you can just put it. It's up to you if you want a belt clip or not. Start it. You can set the different frequency or the same frequency between both the handset. You can set that frequency and you can test it. This is a talk button. You can talk. It have different features in the menu like voice activation and stuff. Have the lamp or the torch or the flashlight, whatever you want to say to it. So it's pretty good for the kids for play and the pretend play. The voice is clear. There's a good range, long range.
Hello, check, 1, 2, 3, check.
These are my kids playing in the yard with these headsets or the walkie-talkie from the distance, and you can see like they enjoyed it a lot, like talking and running along with it.